Well, she's 2/3 a wonderful day, old boys, but got to get the sub chassis out from under my trailer here. She's dicked big time. All the friggin' undercarriage is just wore right to the smithereens, so I got all new ones. Look, hopefully we won't need all that stuff, but this will totally need. But once I get it off there, I'll show you. The whole bottom's just chowdered right out of it. Like if you, I don't know, I don't even know. I don't know. It's this. It's that far up in there. Oh yeah, right on. I did the old finger measure. She's same. We'll just have to copicize the different accrement so as we get it on the right accordance. But anyways, it's not going to do itself, so we'll get the tires off here. All the bearings are loose. It's dicked. I tried to get it safety, but he's like, buddy, the trailer's like falling apart. It's dicked. Oh, it's all that done so we didn't know. Sorry.
Holy shit, man. Difference in front. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, I'm standing up with
There you go. Just comes right off.
oh yeah. A little warm.
A little bit.
Still. Oh yeah. Oh.
Phew.
Oh yeah, hot.
Oh, fuck.
Oh yeah, it was very hot. That's a ticket. Oh.
Oh, there.
Fucker's bent.
Oh yeah, it's probably got like notches into it from the
Oh yeah, the front of that is very, yeah.
notchy.
Damage. Very much damaged.
Please come out.
Oh, there we go. Be careful which one you touch.
Buddy. Buddy's like trying to tell me that won't pass safety.
Won't?
That won't pass safety?
Yeah. Pretty safe to me.
Wore right through the smithereen and everything. Come on!
Oh no.
No!
I thought the tire was rolling. Oh yeah, look at the notches in that. Holy shit, dude.
Holy fuck. Buddy wouldn't pass my safety for me. Can you believe that?
Oh.
What a guy.
I thought
Like,
it came from
part of the
factory
bush,
like that.
part of the bushing is just like on the bolt.
I mean, that's not an OEM.
Right? That guy's front. Holes, that's still good. Scores. Just put it on backwards. I'd like to put it the other way. Fuck yeah. That's fucking much work.
Well, it's got the fucking square on the other side.
Yeah. Fucking A rights, boys.
No, it's not. It should be a freaking 1 7/16, 5/16. That's brand new.
Yeah. And a good one.
Oh.
Use some there. Totally never came off. The bearing's just loose.
You just gotta tighten her down.
Right? Loose.
Oh, yeah. Do it with your fucking hands.
$750, bud.
Yeah.
Eh?
All the money.
Yeah, all the money right now. Holy fuck.
That was a little loose. Just a little loose.
Too bad. Little bad, not too bad. Oh yeah, this one's bad too.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Where's my purse? Uh-oh.
Well, that one came out a little bit easier. The chassis.
Revolver.
Oh no. Probably a little warm, man. Oh, it doesn't seem as bad. Or maybe.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
That one's got some badness onto it. Fuck.
Yeah, you see a rub in there. Again.
I am just at a loss for words why I had to replace any of this stuff.
Oh, I don't see what.
This is still totally, mostly kind of good. I could put that in Joe's used shit right now. $79.95. Oh, look it.
Up on Facebook?
It is supposed to have that. Holy shit.
Oh, wow.
I was like, these are different. The other side, this was completely gone. There's supposed to be a triangle potato in there. The other side was just, there was no sign of it ever existing. Like, they're smooth. And this side's got some signifying features, but
Just a little bit left.
yeah, like this
It's like barely hanging on.
yeah, that piece there is like, where's something? That piece in there is loose.
Yeah. Oh, you see it move.
Yeah, look at. It's just like locked in there with the gravitational forces.
Oh my God.
That's wholesome. Holy, where has the MTO even been?
Oh, really?
Good Lord.
Wait,
Wow.
Yeah, it's like it broke off.
Wow. Okay.
It's like it broke off. And I got smidged underneath
Yeah,
the
well,
one side.
once that peak wears it, so it's two pieces.
Yeah.
The force of that would just flatten it out.
Yeah, but
You know,
then this part gets trapped underneath here.
Yeah.
Oh my God, man.
Just folded her. That's probably going over the fucking train tracks or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, you're running away from the cops.
Yeah.
Just like Buddy in the 300.
For fucks. Ow, my thumb.
Oh, jeez. Don't do that.
I didn't need that anymore anyway.
A couple more. Need, what, 2 of those?
I got 2 bolts
Oh,
here.
you got them?
Yep.
You say you don't need the jacks, you think?
And the appearances, though.
By the looks of it, you got it on, so.
I'm looking for an exquisite fucking Marmaduke of
It's
the...
like, hi, is this available? It is. Nothing.
Yeah.
The message read, but like nothing afterwards. Nice.
But now I can go get a safety and it's safe.
Yeah. 100% safe. Almost.
It's not flying apart and shit.
Yeah.
All my trailer, all the lights work, all the brakes work, all the bearings are tight and safe and greased and stuff. New friggin' pivot Marmadukes. Yeah. Well, there she be, boys. Done and done. First side took 47 minutes, second side plus all the cleanup, 29 minutes. There's 19 minutes to friggin' actually do it though. That's not too bad. Old Patty got come over, make sure our hydro was out too. Frig's sake, eh? Oh, but yeah. Jim's supposed to come over to finish fixing his car. Didn't want to put that rat in because there's a little bit of corrosion. Oh, look! The red that I got. Might as well get a new one. They're only $100 and some. It's just Jim's money. You know what I mean? So Fox. Get all white ones this time. Next time it'll be awesome. We still have 2 black ones on the trailer and the whole shit's black and it'll be all look awesome. Take it at night with all the lights on and shit. What happened? Oh, just exuberated having my friggin' shit more safe, less unsafe. Still totally not safe, but less unsafe, you know what I mean? Here I go.